The beautifully diverse Olympic Peninsula was calling. I was joined by my sisters Anne and Michelle. We hadn't road tripped together in at least 40 years. Our first stop was wandering around the coastal beaches, which are strewn with these massive driftwood logs tossed like twigs. The next morning started with a relaxing soak in a hot spring-fed pool as the mist lifted from the mountains. We trekked 6 miles through the rainforest, marveling at the huge ferns lining our path, thick blankets of mosses, and the way new life seems to spring up on top of the decay of falling trees. Our next stop was shimmering Lake Crescent. The lodge has greeted visitors since the 1940s, along with its 80-year-old moose. Surrounded by the heavily forested Olympic Mountains, it's the perfect place to chill. We wound our way up to Hurricane Ridge for gorgeous 360-degree views. The receding glaciers, the Olympics, and the Strait of Juan de Fucas with Canada in the distance. So much more to experience. We'll be back.